Hi everybody, it's Bree the Plant Lady here, excited to share the progress of our brand new concrete walkway that leads visitors straight to our front door. When I moved here 10 years ago, I started dreaming of a pathway that would make its way from the driveway up to the front of the house so everyone knew exactly where to enter. It took us 9 years to come up with the idea of just using concrete, which of course is one of the most logical things to use as the substrate since we already have a big concrete driveway. This way the path will blend in with the driveway and the garden can still be the star. The efficient crew from North Carolina's Concrete Lady came in just 2 days for 3 hours at a time. We're able to clear the area out and get it prepped so that the next morning they could begin to pour that concrete. To say I was excited is a massive understatement. Even though I had drawn this out on paper, until I saw the concrete flowing, I really didn't know exactly how this would turn out. The hardworking crew did such an amazing job sculpting the concrete, smoothing it out. I'm irrationally excited about this concrete new patio that gets shaded by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And a big new walkway to greet visitors whenever people are allowed to visit again. Definitely am gonna overhaul this front garden once again. Make it look as good as it should. Hi everybody, it's Bree the Plant Lady. Happy 4th of July. I wanted to give you a quick garden update now that the new concrete sidewalk has been poured and I have a hot mess behind me. This entire garden space is going to be totally renovated in the next few weeks. And today I just took some time this morning to try and get this section replanted and fertilized and filled with soil cube, so that at least one area looks organized for right now, because I need that satisfaction. And I did get a couple of containers planted for the new patio area. Now those chairs are not really going to stay there. I just put them to get them out of the way because I was trying to power wash the driveway. So I'm just so thrilled with how the house looks, especially with these new 6x6 posts. Obviously those are going to be painted white. And taking the railing down has just made a world of difference as far as being able to sit up on the front porch and not feel claustrophobic and be able to have people down on this area and actually properly social distance while we use the shade of the east side of our house compared to where our deck is on the west side. So anyhow, I hope everybody has a safe and happy holiday weekend. And I look forward to sharing updates as I make more progress out in the garden. Take care.